welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're down here. I don't know if you can notice, but I'm kind of squinty. We're in sunny Florida. That's right, guys. We made it all the way to Florida. Me and Brannon got up early this morning. He got up earlier than me because he came to my house. And we left the house this morning about 5 o'clock, and it's now about 2 o'clock. Y'all know our buddy that we have raced a lot, Jerry Martin. Man, he posted a big block for sale a couple weeks ago. It's been about a month ago, three or 4 weeks ago now. So we talked back and forth a little bit. We got a big block. Oh boy, we got a freaking big block. Let me show you this thing real fast. If y'all want to support the channel, head on over to TurboJohnRacing.com, grab some hats and t-shirts. Thanks, guys. I'm really excited in case you can't tell. Just a little bit. All right, guys. Well, here we go. We made it to S&M. Brannon made the ride down with us. I appreciate Brannon coming. Got Carl and Jerry. What are y'all doing, man? Man, tearing up stuff. Look, now he told me he was selling me a steel block, but I mean I showed up and there's an aluminum one. I mean I'm just saying that sounds fair. It sounds. Beggars can't be choosers. You gotta do what you gotta do. I got a steel block over here. Jerry had this thing for sale. This is his backup motor. He said he's run it just a little bit. And so this is the backup motor, 532 cubic inches. What did you say the compression is now on this one?
13 and a half-ish.
So about 13 and a half to 1, which is probably a little much for what we want to do. So we're going to send this thing over to DMP, to Danny Perry, Danny and Bobby. And we're going to get them basically to just knock the domes off of these a little bit. I wonder if we'll need to rebalance this thing, or you think it'll probably be okay?
I think it'll make a difference.
Yeah, because we're not going to knock off a ton. We'll let Danny do the math. We just basically need to knock it down to about 12 and a half to 1. It's got AFR heads on it. AFR 357 heads. So this is going to be freaking awesome, guys. Can y'all tell I'm excited?
This guy's been doing jumping jacks
Look,
since he walked in here.
And when'd you post it for sale? You posted it for sale, what, like 3 or 4 weeks ago now?
Yeah, if that.
And so I got with him. I was like, man, I think I want it. And so Kelly, if y'all remember, we were in Ohio at Summit. And so Kelly gave me the verbal okay in Summit that I could get a big block. So I'm just saying a big block come available. And I was like, hey, look, we got to do it. So she had to borrow, steal, and I don't know what else she's doing. I think she's got OnlyFans now. But we... I'm just kidding about that. But we do have a big block now. So this thing is awesome, man. This is one, actually, Jerry. You want to spill the beans on what you're doing?
So, yeah, we got a little something different going together.
Big block?
Yeah, big block, aluminum. You know, had to make some more horsepower. I can't let y'all sneak up on me, so I got to stay ahead of the game.
And you know, this thing is going to have a single 118 on it, so it ought to be pretty gangster.
Yeah, that thing ought to move.
I mean, it ought to be able to make a lot of power. I mean, you run really good with nitrous, and now you're going with a big screw-blown PSIC Hemi. Well, not really. Kind of, sort of. Kind of, sort of. When will you be out with your new one? When will it be out?
So the only holdup we got is GRP rods.
Okay.
They're going to be the middle to end of February. I'm ordering parts, so hopefully we'll be out testing end of February, March.
Okay. So you're ready. I mean, so the nitrous is now being retired.
Well, that one there's still ready to go. So if anything pops up, I ain't scared to show up still.
Right. So you're ready to go racing now. That one's not going to be disassembled until the other one is ready to go.
Ready to finish wiring in
right.
the car. It'll get set in within a couple days, and we'll be ready to hit the track.
That's insane. I mean, that is insane. Well, I can't wait to see you guys back down again. Y'all come south all the time. It is a ride. I mean, y'all come north, not south. Yeah, look, he's like, wait a minute, what?
Y'all got a lot of good races up in the Carolinas.
Y'all
Nothing going on in Florida.
Y'all need to go ahead and move up north. I mean, we're racing every weekend.
My wife talks about it.
I just went yesterday and I was doing like a 2023 Indian video. I had like 3 hours worth of content just in like 1 or 2 runs per race. Like there's only 52 weekends in a year, and we were racing like 45 weekends out of the year. It's insane. It really is crazy that we can race.
We spent more time in North Carolina, South Carolina this year than we did anywhere else.
Right.
Literally. Anywhere.
I mean, that is insane, man.
We run 2 races this year in Florida.
That's it.
Once and Orlando.
You guys have the best weather, though.
Yeah, no, that's true. Now, it is sunny Florida. Now, it rained the whole way up here, like drizzling kind of bad. And then we just got here, and it's now, well, that is sunny Florida, though, ain't it?
That was what screwed us up yesterday, Christmas.
Right.
We had a rainy Christmas.
Oh, did you? And that's what Florida is. I mean, it rains in the morning and then it clears back up, pops up. Y'all have a lot of scattered storms that pop up and down.
Y'all know when it comes through with y'all, it's sitting on you for a minute.
No, that's right. They don't move very fast. But we're going to probably have to slide this cam out of here. The cam is pretty radical on this thing. It was nitrous. He got us the spec sheet on it. I'm going to call Bullet and see if Bullet thinks we can regrind it. If we can regrind it, then that might work out okay. If it can't be reground, which it may not be, it depends on the heat treat, then I think we're going to just get us another cam, get us the one spec'd out for the single turbo. Now, if we had twin turbos going on this thing, we wouldn't have any back pressure. And so no back pressure, it basically likes a nitrous style or naturally aspirated style camshaft. But that's not what we got. We're going to have a single turbo, single 118. We're getting the one off of Randy's car, and it should work great. Dude, I am super excited. Now the only question is, how heavy is that, and how are we going to get it in the back of Kelly's car? So, okay, and then the next question, how are we going to get it out? Who's coming back to North Carolina with us? We should. That's what, it is what it is. I mean, it is what it is. We'll get it in there, and we're ready to go.
There's a will, there's a way.
That's right. There is a will.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Jerry. I appreciate it, Carl. Good seeing you. Y'all check it out. We're getting a big block, guys. Brian and JW are no longer the only big blocks in the group. Now, I got a big block. I got a big block, too. All right, guys, and just like that, 1,100 miles one day. It was a long trip. All right, so we got it over here, Danny and Bobby. He's going to take this thing apart, get it cleaned up, see what we can do with compression ratio. We're going to see how much we can knock off of this dome. He don't think we can knock them down flat, but we're going to try to get the compression down. How much you think we can get the compression down on it? You said probably about a point or so, pretty easy.
Yeah, we should be able to get down to 12, 12.5.
That's pretty reasonable, ain't it?
I run mine 12.
He's like, leave the knot in it. It's fine. 13 and a half. Look, I'm trying to make. That's true. That's a good point. So I gotta. He's gonna knock it down some. He's gonna clean up all the sharp edges on the pistons and get them all cleaned up. He measured the gasket. I think he said the gasket was what, 62.
62.
So if we go to an 80 or 100 thousandths gasket with a little bit cleaning up there, then we're going to be set. We're also going to get them, the heads do not have the receiver grooves for the O-rings. And so we're going to go ahead and get the receiver grooves put in the heads. All right, I appreciate it, Dean.
Yes, sir.